Hello everybody, so today I'm unboxing Wonder Girls' second mini album, Wonder Party. This is the pink version of the album. I really love this album by Wonder Girls. I'm not a fan of the Wonder Girls, I don't follow them at all because, you know, I don't like girl groups. I don't like any of their other albums apart from this one. This is the only album by Wonder Girls I like, and I was after it for so long and I couldn't find it anywhere, and then I found it, so I bought it and I'm so happy. I absolutely love this album, and the packaging, it looks so cool. Like, the packaging, I love it. I've never seen an album packaged like this. I love JYP's packagings for albums, really nice. So let's do this. The front, it's so pretty. The back, and it's just like in a case. You can see the official stickers here inside, and then the side says nothing really to it. It reminds me of a pencil case. So it opens and then you get all the stuff in it. That's all it is. Really nice, I love it. So different. Okay, so here is the CD, the official sticker, and the track list. There's the CD. So it's really nice, I really like it. How do I get this back on? Okay. There you go. And then on the back, what is this? Okay, lyrics, that's so cool. You have the lyrics to the songs. That is amazing, I love how they've done that. Oh, I think I'm doing this backwards, it's meant to go like that, because that was the credits. So we have cards. So pretty. I love the backs of them too. This is probably my favourite, like, era of the Wonder Girls. Like, I think they suit this style so much. They're so pretty. Oh wow. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. It's just so different. Oh, she's so pretty. I like the current Wonder Girls lineup, but I preferred it when they were 5 members. Like, this is probably my favourite lineup for the Wonder Girls. Oh my gosh. Oh, I did it. Oh my god, it's got like a small picture on the back. Oh, that's different. I thought they were just going to be like patterned on the back. It's so gorgeous. I really like how JYP has done this. Oh, finally some group shots. What is this? Okay, it's an ad. And then we have credits. So yeah, that's it. I really love it, actually. The packaging is so cool, and then the photos just look amazing. Really, really love how JYP did this. Honestly, really did. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this unboxing. Bye.